Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add apps, so-called apps, which are different currencies, onto your Ledger Stax. To do it, go to My Ledger in the Ledger app, then connect to your Ledger. Now you may need to click on Allow Secure Connection on your Ledger. Now, you'll have all the apps listed here. You can see when I click on My Blockchain apps, I can see the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. If I were about to get a different one, I can just select which one I like. Let's see something. And you can also see their sizes because really they may have different sizes, and the space on the device is limited to, I believe, like 1 megabyte or 1 megabit, which sounds weird because you can see it's in kilobits here, not in kilobytes. But maybe it's just like they marked it wrong, I don't really know. But if you select the thing that you want to get here, then you can simply click on plus. It'll start downloading it. And now you can see it's there. If I click on it, I can open it. And once it's opened, it enables signing different transactions and stuff like that on different networks, like for example Bitcoin or Solana. And I hope that this video was helpful. If you want to delete any of those, then you can go to My Blockchain apps, delete the one that you want to delete. And I believe that's basically it. If I open things like security key, if I download that, I don't really know what will happen. I don't know that app, honestly. So let's try to get that. I just wonder if it'll work the same way as it does like with all the other apps, that it only opens the app and to use it you'll need to use your mobile device, or if it's some sort of app that when opened has any options. Okay, now let's open it. And yes, it's basically it. It just lets you, once it's opened, you can use it for two-factor authentication and passwordless logins. So I think that's pretty useful, and I'm gonna quit it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.